time for part 2 of my Swank Blue mystery haul. First, starting off with this white swimsuit. I thought it was very cute, and yes, I have on underwear underneath this swimsuit because y'all don't need to see my cheeks and we not at the beach, okay? I thought it was super cute and very flattering. I'm excited to wear it this summer. Next is this white two-piece set. I very much felt like majorette HBCU dancer in it, but it is very cute. It is also very flattering, or maybe I just look good in white. I'm not sure. Have no idea where I'm going to wear this, but I think it's pretty cute. Next was the pink dress that I was unsure about. Baby, this turned out to be my favorite thing in this haul. The little sides are out. Ooh, you see it. And look at the little rhinestones on the sleeve. And it hugs the curves of my body just right. Next is this silky orange dress. Not too much on the wrinkles. I literally unpacked it and tried it on, okay? But it shows off the back, okay? Back is backing. And it's just a sexy silhouette. I love that I can tie it and show more of my thigh. This is a win. Lastly is this yellow puffy sleeve shirt. I did not iron it either. Judge your mama, don't judge me, okay? I still think this shirt is very cute. It just needs to be ironed or steamed. It is the perfect top for spring, especially with this vibrant color. I love that it's cropped and that this tie in the middle is adjustable. So that is everything. Let me know in the comments below which look was your favorite.